so we should be set. Excuse me, bum. First of all, make sure everything's on. Right, okay, rough. Okay, basically this is a two-way circuit with intermediate switch. Completed today. I haven't done any testing on it, but it doesn't matter. We turn that on. Press the reset, so let's reset back to that. Turn that on. Now the lights are on, so we know we've got power coming in through the mains, through the yellow lead into the meter. Meter does work, and it does drop, so I do that. The meter then goes through another trip switch plug, and then goes through another series of plugs, which are set here, and here. For safety purposes, I put that on there because otherwise it would have been bare. It wouldn't have been very good at all, because it would have been. You have to plug something into it to make it work. So now I plugged in the MCB unit distributor box into there, and there's power going to this now. What remains now, if I can do this without that falling, is to energise the circuit. I'll hold on to this. Right, the circuit is energised, but it doesn't show you. We're using the right hand side here, because that's at 63 amps, 30 milliamp trip, and I believe it's one of these. I think it's that one. And so we turn it on this side, and there we are, we have lights. Got 240 volts. Illumination. God, get blinded. You turn that off if it's upstairs, turn it back on if it's downstairs, turn it off completely. Haha, can't do anything with that until you turn that one back on. So that's the intermediate switch working. Yeah, like that. That's just your normal downstairs switch, just one. Upstairs or downstairs, doesn't really matter, it could be in the lounge, but that's all connected up, it's in the ring. I'll just turn it off from there, and none of that, neither of those will work. This one will, because this is independent. But I should, just to prove that I've got the right circuitry here, I'll trip it using that, which works. And I'll put that one on, and I should trip that one. Well, okay, it's not that, so therefore it's got to be that one. Right, so trip that, and that's fine. Trips. Won't trip that one because I'm not on the first 5 of these. 4 of these even. They blast out some heat, I tell you. I can also trip it from here completely, so this is well protected. You can see here the 2 lights are still on, meaning that the earthing, the line and neutral line, there's no faults. If there's a fault, they indicate by here. And I can test here to make sure that this works. It trips all the way back outside and turns everything off. And then voila. All I've got to do now is just test it. Do some measurements, some resistance measurements, and then that's it. All done. Close it down. That hasn't fallen off, which is amazing. Turned it off.